All right, you guys, I'm all ready for my photo shoot.
What are these?
I saw that Brandy was really skinny. Wow.
Did you say something to her?
No, I didn't. I should have.
I was gonna
Brandy,
say,
you look good.
I was gonna say something to her because she's looking exceptionally great.
She is. I was like, dang.
It's the day of my big photo shoot with Women's World Magazine. We're heading over to our neighbor's house to get set up and get everything ready. Just got my nails painted, which is why my coat's not on. And I'm super excited and super nervous, and I hope it's gonna be a great vlog. And I hope that it's gonna go well and that everything isn't too miserable. Come on, let's go. Oh, my friend's house is so cute. Look at her decorations. Here's the pretty kitchen we get to use. This is fun. I wish my kitchen looked like this. It does smell good in here. Cinnamon and cookies, maybe? It's yummy.
It's like Christmas.
And then we had another girl after that because she was so cute. It was easy to talk him into having another one.
And lucky for you, it was a girl.
And it was a girl again.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, we're done. And now that I'm skinny, I'm like, dang it, I could do one more.
No, don't do it.
Yeah, I know. That's probably what he's thinking too. Well, he's like, I said, you could get a reversal. And he's like, no. No, that's not happening. And I'm like, I know. I just love babies so much. Adult kids, not so much.
Adult kids.
Did you bring your jeans? Oh,
They're on me.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
These are the only ones. The only.
So do you do keto like on and off, or
Nope. Forever and ever, amen. Never going
really
back.
every day?
Yep. Never going back. Well, I mean, if you can go on and off and you don't feel miserable, that's fine. But like, I'm an addict. I can't. It's like heroin.
I think if you, right,
Yeah.
that's good that you like listen to your body because you have to kind of eat intuitively, I think, in
Right.
order to be
What
healthy.
makes you feel good.
Right, and everybody's a little bit different.
This is the best I've ever felt, so I'm gonna keep doing it.
That's awesome.
Do you like my makeup? Is it cool? I haven't seen it yet.
I don't know what she looks like.
I asked them if it was okay, and they were like, whatever. You like it? Cute! All right, I'm gonna put it on.
Bring shoes. What are the hoops you have on?
Silver. I wear them every day. I pretty much don't take them out. Ever.
Okay. I'm gonna send a picture.
Shoes. Yes, tu prends. All right, you guys, I'm all ready for my photo shoot. What do you guys think? Cute? I love it. I barely walk in heels. I don't wear heels ever. And they're a little too big because I've been standing in it for a while.
Cool. I like
I
it.
don't know, should I put these up a little or?
No, I don't think so.
I think it's great. I think it's great.
Down?
The red's good.
down.
That's gonna be the best.
Okay. What was the deal with the hand towel? But I know. He's like,
Well, you're gonna be doing both.
I know, I
so
shall do it, but it just seems so weird.
what you just did was perfect. The colors are great.
Okay.
Uh,
Now, do you want to do it without my glasses?
the light's good.
Are you okay with them? Is it working?
We'll do both.
Okay.
So I know that she requested no glasses.
Oh, she did.
We'll do
Okay.
both.
I wasn't sure.
That don't matter.
It's my thing, though.
Yeah.
My glasses are my thing.
Yeah,
It makes
yeah,
me-
we'll be all right.
I just feel like I look like an old lady without them. That's more than anything.
Okay, here we go. So.
Same kind of
No
things, or-
props for this, same thing, just a bunch of hands,
Okay.
hips. I'll turn you,
Okay.
etc., etc.
Okay, now just
Yep. Big smiles. Good. You got it.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Perfect.
see. I don't know what else.
That's good. turn a little bit more. There you go. I'll tell you when. Good. Both hands. Good, nice and straight now. There you go. Yeah. Good. Let's lose the glasses.
Okay. Are they okay here? Can you see them? Or do you need me to further?
Yeah, let's clear them out.
I'm blind though, and that's another thing I'm concerned about. Is I don't know exactly where to look. I mean, I can try, but I'm literally blind. Yeah, I just feel like I look like I don't, not really looking at people. Does that make sense? When people take pictures of me, do I look like I'm looking at you because I can't see your eyeballs at all? Which is more the uncomfortable thing for me because I feel like I'm talking to people, but I don't know, like if I'm actually looking at them right. You know what I mean?
You're looking fine.
All right. Well, and the camera is luckily big, so.
We would never let you look small.
Maybe hips, hand on hips.
Both?
Sassy, one, both.
Yeah.
That's the one.
Nice.
Go back to the other. Yeah. That's good. And hands. Yeah. Okay.
Woo, that's good.
That's good. Well, great.
Can we shoot both things in this outfit before we change? It'll just be faster if we could get all
You'll have
that
to
in
move the
this.
lights.
Oh yeah, you mean the plates?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then do the next outfit and do both.
We can do the plates, yeah. Plate and bowl. So you're just, you know.
I have no idea what. I'll try. I just think it's so weird, you just holding it up to your face.
Well, they're gonna Photoshop.
Food on it,
They're gonna
right?
put food on it.
That's what I'm afraid of. I'm like, what are they gonna put on there that I'm eating that I don't actually eat?
You probably want to
Two-hand
tilt
or-
it out toward the camera a little.
Like this?
Yes.
Feels weird.
I'll tell you when. Good. Yeah. Maybe straight out.
Like this?
No, like two hands.
No, two hands like this?
Yeah, not. Yeah. Any
Sorry, I can't actually
That's
see.
all right. No, that's good.
Yeah.
I'm here.
I hope. That's my hardest thing. I don't know where to look.
Good. And turn a little bit. Yeah.
God, you look gorgeous. You do not look like an old lady without glasses.
Makeup's
Thank
great.
you.
So pretty.
Turn a little bit more.
She did my makeup really well.
There you go.
Beautiful.
There you go. Hold that. A little more hip.
This
Yeah.
better?
She's dancing now.
Well, I can move my hips.
It's good. It's good. Relax. Let's get the. Can you move back this way? There you go. Perfect. A little lower, maybe. Yes. And one hand. Perfect. Good. Do the other hand again. And the other hand.
Oh, that.
This hand.
This hand out.
Oh, like
yeah,
this?
yeah.
Okay. I can sort of see something.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Right. I keep
Can't
forgetting.
see, sorry.
I forget.
Go off.
You're blind.
She's a bat right
Here we go. Good.
Okay, so we did the first outfit and now I'm dressed in the second outfit. It's been going really well and we're just taking a little break before we start on the next one. It feels kind of weird to be the model, but they say I'm doing a really good job. You think I'm doing a good job? Yeah? It's actually kind of fun. Maybe it was supposed to be my thing a long time ago and it just never was. All right, well, we'll see you guys in a little while.
Awesome. Good. Yeah.
just do the standing being normal. I don't know. Thing.
Yep.
Oh, except my polymer. Sorry.
There you go. Okay. It's pretty good.
Well, it's a wrap. That was crazy. We got all of the outfits photographed and sent a picture to the editor, and she made us do them all again. She wanted my hair to have more volume, and she wanted all of the things removed from the shelves behind us. So we had to completely redo, change all the outfits, do it again. It was kind of weird and crazy. Apparently a little more difficult than I first imagined, but they said I was a pro, so maybe I was born to be a model in another life. Who knows? Well, thanks for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.